Hello guys!
This is Tatay Night and then I am
Yeah,
Gabby.
Gabi. We will be watching the third episode of Kamen Rider Gab. And this is our... Today we will be watching... What? Eating? Eating... Gummies.
And then we're gonna have Kamen Rider belts.
Okay.
We're gonna have those.
Ano yan? Show mo sa camera.
Hello!
Oh.
Gummies.
Oh. Meron tayong coffee.
Rocky.
Cola.
Pupa. Zega.
What's this?
Luga. Isda.
The tayong
Bugis.
Skittles.
Gummy
Pastel.
worm. And the
Ah,
brains. Zombie brains.
konting trivia guys. Yung ating bida si Shoma Stomach. It's an English pun of Show My Stomach. Yung opening ng opening ng Kamen Rider Gab. Sobra talagang nakaka-enjoy. Pati yung anak ko gustong gusto eh. Ang pangalan nga pa, ang title nga pala nun eh, Got Boost by Fantastics from Exile Tribe. Ang tawag sa vehicle niya ay Broken.
Punching up now. People will die. Why do everyone
Saying that, die. Napaka-morbid talaga ng mga bata ngayon. Puro die, kill. Siguro, ang pinaka kalaban ni Kamen Rider Gab sa huli, diabetes. It's people with pancreas problem.
with belts too?
No,
Did they have belts?
it's a rare disease. They can process sugar in their body. Yeah, tignan natin. Ang lakas. You see, it's not normal. Alien siya, alien. Ang mas gusto ko yung jacket niya nung una. Siguro, it depends on, what munchkins you will use later, right? Pwede, Pwede go inside the house. Oh! Guys, stealing. Bad guy pala yun. Oh, he's a burglar. Thief. Yan, pag nag-steal ka. Soda, Playboy.
Maybe I think it's punching gummy.
Naman, yan.
What's the gummy?
Soda.
君は初めまして
Kasi,
せっかくあの家から逃げてきたんだから
you have the regular Poppin Gummy, Kicking Gummy, and then, I think that's the Punching Gummy. The blue one. Oh, yan yung broken kapag human form siya. Paano? Henshin.
Oh my god! Wow!
I know the enemy's trick. Whenever is hurt, he converts it into his or kung gaano kalakas yung suntok sipa sa kanya, nagiging armor. Get it? Zaku chips. Oh.
君は
Ano yung blue?
そうだか頼むぞ
Yan ba yung gamit ni Pacquiao? Pacquiao? Di ba nakita mo na yung pinsan ni Pacquiao? Yung sa Miss Rachel?
そうかパンチにはパンチだ
Yan.
どうする
Lah, paano yung charge yun? Ang laki ng kamay niya.
どうする
Turn into punch.
Ah.
And then it punch.
Ah, laki. Dami pala yan eh. Para kang sinapak ni Pacquiao.
Pag ikaw ay nasuntok ni Pac-Man, para kang tinamaan ng isang shotgun.
I think he's a villain.
申し訳ない
What do you think? What's that?
会社は畳むことになりましたが今日までみんなご苦労だったな
Oh.
親父難問返しできずすいませんでした
Oh, that's why he's stealing money. He will repay his boss. He will repay his boss. That's why he's doing it. It's not that good. What do you think of his new power up?
Punching Suda.
So guys, kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, please like, subscribe, comment in the video kung anong gusto nyong Kamen Rider para mapag-usapan din natin next video. Okay? Say goodbye na guys.
Goodbye. Paalam.